Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact flight details so you don't chase the wrong terminal. Check airline and flight number, then open the airline app or booking email. Once done, note the airport code and any terminal indicated. That initial terminal hint often saves time. Save a screenshot and add the departure time to your calendar. This prevents last-minute confusion and gives you a reference if Wi-Fi is unreliable at the airport. Next, verify the terminal by cross-checking reliable sources so you understand logistics. Start with the airline's flight status page or app. They control gate and terminal assignments. Then consult the airport's official site for maps, shuttle routes, and terminal services, because some airports split airlines across terminals. If sources disagree, call the airline. Agents can confirm last-minute changes. Make sure to allow extra. Finally, plan your arrival and have a troubleshooting step. Arrange transport directly to the confirmed terminal and factor in security and connection time. Arrive 90 minutes for domestic and 2-3 hours for international. Once at the airport, confirm your gate on the departure boards or app. Gates can move. If you discover a terminal change, go to airline staff or the info desk right away. Ask for the fastest transfer option or shuttle. This keeps you calm and on schedule.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.